When I went to Juhi's, she was trying to do a neer dosa waffle.
Ooh.
Now that didn't sit well with me because neer dosa is a flimsy,
Very flimsy.
thin
How do you get it to
batter.
crisp up like a waffle?
And, yeah, so I gave her the
Wonder.
clue, but I think she's sticking to it. So I'm really excited to see. I
What
want
she's
her
doing.
to prove me wrong.
Yes.
I want her to prove me wrong,
Agreed.
So I went to Tanisha's food truck, and I have to say that at first when she explained to me what she was making, she's actually done a marshmallow sheet with the kurmure. And at first I said, but won't that muri be too sweet with the marshmallows? And she said, no, but I've added chaat masala in it, and I've added this. And I actually tasted a bit of that marshmallow.
Yum.
It's so tangy and so delicious, and suddenly that whole dish came through, and I really cannot wait to taste her dish. I can't
I mean,
wait
that
to taste it.
vision just sounds great.
an-
I think if she manages that,
She's
it's
very
gonna be
bright.
a great dish.
Yeah.
Talking about Akansha on the other end where I went, I think she's pretty sorted. I like the whole idea of a khichu sandwich.
I know, yeah.
Right?
yeah
Like a
yeah.
khichu daveli. And she's gotten the elements right. She's trying to, she's crumbling some jelly on top. For a girl coming...
Not from Gujarat.
Not from Gujarat. That's evolved thinking. I'm very impressed.
I went to Megha's truck, and she's got North India. She looked a little bit, confused, not in her usual comfort zone of South Africa and Gujarat. So I asked her what she's making, and she's got this idea of doing a chole bhature, but in a form of a hummus. And she's also doing these samosa pinwheels. She's making gulab jamun as well.
Oh my
That's a
God.
lot.
She's
work
got
for 90
three
minutes.
big elements on her dish.
That's
So
a
I was a
lot of
little
work.
concerned, and I could see her frying the gulab jamuns when I went there. I'm very impressed. If that dish comes out, absolutely stunning. So I just hope she finishes on
I
time.
hope so too.
And she has a great product.
But I would have suggested her to drop at least one element.
Yeah.
I am running out of time, and I did think of a lot of elements. However, I'm still sticking to my samosa pinwheel and my chola hummus and bhatura pita plan with my gulab jamun.
Still, there was something which was missing in my plate. I was not happy about the way it was looking at that point of time. So I thought, why not make some chaat with it? I decided to make a surti chaat, which is basically a peanut chaat.
The food truck revelation this evening has inspired me more because that is the ultimatum of my food dream. And it's going to drive me really well because South Indian is not usually my forte, but it picked me, I didn't pick it. So I'm going to give it my best because I am totally driven at the moment and inspired by my chat with Ankit as well as the final winning product of the show.
I'm all over the place today.
How many minutes? How much left? So when there were 30 minutes left, I was very, very much panicked because there was still a lot I had to do. My gulab jamun weren't done yet, and my bhaturas, which was the pitas, weren't done yet. So I was really, really under a lot of pressure. And honestly, I felt that I'm not going to finish all my elements for this dish.
Girls, last 15 minutes and then we will have an apple-to-apple comparison of your dishes. Last 15 minutes, let's go!
What? I remember standing, staring at everything in my truck, blank, like tuned out, zoned out. I have no idea how I've fallen so short on time when I felt like I barely had anything to do. I can't do this. This is not going to go well because I know I have not done enough, but it's too late now.
So when 15 minutes were left, I was almost done with my the dish. The only thing I was worried about, because the amount of khichu I made was if it will be like sufficient for the amount of people we have been told to cook for. So in order to do that, I had to take like small pieces and slightly cut it from the, like make it a thinner slice. So that was a bit challenging for me.